Our convenient, built-in filtered water dispenser is made for all the living that happens in your home. Imagine a hands-free water source in your mudroom, recreation room, or even master suite, for dispensing cleaner, healthier water. It's ideal for busy families and people who love entertaining, with endless uses such as filling single-brew coffee makers, watering cans for plants and pet bowls. Say goodbye to trips to the store for disposable bottled water that takes up precious storage space. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Built-in design. Install a filtered water dispenser in convenient areas of the home, inside and outside the kitchen, new construction or remodels. Number 2. Easy installation. Fits within the width and depth of 2 wall studs near water and electric. Includes drip tray with optional drain connection. Number 3. Filtered water. NSF-certified filter reduces lead and other harmful contaminants, for added assurance of healthier and great tasting water. Number 4. Filter status lights. Colorful lights indicate when quick and easy filter changes are needed. Number 5. Bottles saved. Backlit LED Green Ticker counts the number of disposable, single-use plastic bottles served without the plastic bottle waste. Number 6. Safety lock. Optional setting prevents unsupervised use, ideal for families with small children or pets. Number 7. Fun and convenient. Self-serve design allows homeowners to provide delicious and refreshing water where guests are, without running to the kitchen. Number 8. 2 stunning colors. Choose from 2 stylish glass front colors: Midnight, a sleek, deep black hue, or Aspen White, a pure, crisp white. Number 9. Built-in design. Designed for new construction or remodels. Fits between 2 standard wall studs near water and electrical. Number 10. Filtered water. NSF-certified filter reduces lead and other harmful contaminants, for added assurance of healthier and great tasting water. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is it convenient to use with cups? Answer. Yes, the self-serve design allows homeowners to provide delicious and refreshing water where guests are, without running to the kitchen. Question number 2. Can the chiller for this be installed within the wall? Answer. Yes, the chiller for this unit is meant to be installed inside the wall, generally closer to the floor. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.